Good morning, Pop Pop's Bees. Got the heater rolling. Stovepipe is hot. So we got all of our boards. Well, I got a stack of boards. Cut the width. I've culled out what's going to be supers because they got cracks. And then those are going to be just cut into 2-inch strips so I can use. So we're cutting handles with the handle saw. This thing is simply awesome. So the reason why I'm doing this, I'm going to confess, when I was playing with the box joint saw, I cut the handles after I did the box joints and they were upside down. When we get to the box joint, it's marked handles this side, so you know that your bevel's correct or your joints are correct with the opposite side that you cut. So it's marked by the handles. So if I go ahead and cut these handles now, I won't screw up on the box joint saw. That's the hope. So we're going to show this thing one more time. This thing's awesome. So fast, I'll show you one more time. Handle. Handle. This thing's a game changer. Hope y'all like that. That's a tough piece of machinery right there. Pop Pop's Bees, please like and subscribe. Have a good day. We'll be doing box joints later.